speak in French, but before that, I just remember that I have another question in regards to the Selichot.
Mm-hmm.
So, as Kavod knows, I'm following the Sephardic Minchag, but for some reason, I could not find Sephardic Selichot, but someone lent me the Ashkenaz one. And I'm, of course, looking forward to praying Selichot this remaining days, these repentance days before Yom Kippur. So is it okay if I use the Ashkenaz ones?
Yes, if you don't have anything else, yeah, you use Ashkenaz one. But just be careful about slichas. So there are two types of slichas in Ashkenazi Siddur. So once is before the Rosh Hashanah, and it's one set. So whatever set, so we pass that. That's it. So and the second set is actually from today, from a fast Gidale. I mean it's fast, but this one it was fast Gidale. So it's like first day. So but it calls first Gidale, and then you continue with second day and to Yom Kippur. They're separate, and somebody already asked me today, one time, yes, I said, well, one guy he had a separate book, but it was only the slichas that was before the Rosh Hashanah. So he asked me if he can continue. So I told him no, it's different things. Like you have a pain in one part of the body and put your bandage on your forehead. Like how is it's going to help? So our sages, when they designed these books, prayer books, they were very precise. They knew what's going on first day of the week, second day, all these things like closer to Yom Kippur. Everything is calculated precisely. Right? That's why we must follow whatever it says in Siddur, and whatever they say it's is precisely, and whatever you want to add from yourself, there is no problem. Right? But be tzaddik first, then chassid. Tzaddik does basic Shulchan Aruch, and then you do chassid. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, but the thing is, that's kind of a problem because the ones that I have, they only have, I believe, the slichot that are pertaining to the 8 days before Rosh Hashanah.
So it's not that. So exactly the same question we're asking me today. It's not.
Ouch.
So you have to find another one.
Oh, yeah, I've been looking them online like crazy. I haven't been able to finding them.
So we'll see what we can do. Maybe we'll find some.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. Hashem.